Hi everybody, this is Tirupati Reddy. Today we discuss about time in different countries. The time will be different from one country to another country. So to discuss about why this time is different from one country to another country, why this time will change, how it changes from one country to another country, we will discuss the time about time, how it is differ from one country to another country. To discuss about time, we need to know about longitudes. So, with the help of longitudes, we know the time of a place in the world. Of a place in the world. Any place in the world, we need to know about longitudes. Already you know longitudes are semicircles on the globe. Suppose you take a globe like this. So North Pole, South Pole. So we can draw like the semicircles from North Pole to South Pole, they join. Okay. So these are called longitudes. Okay, on Earth. Actually, these longitudes are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. So there are 360 longitudes there. 360 longitudes. The main longitude 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude which passes through Greenwich in London. This is the also known as Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. It is the world means global standard time we can come to known by 0 degree longitude. From here we can calculate the time from each degree of longitude. Each degree of longitude. There are 360 degrees longitudes. Here 360 degrees minutes seconds. We can divide minutes and seconds. Here from 0 degree to east there are 180 longitudes there. From 0 degree to west 180 longitudes there. West and east. So this totally 360 longitudes. Eastern hemisphere 180 longitudes, western hemisphere 180 longitudes against to 0 degree. So this 180 east and west, there are no two 180s, only there will be one 180. So 180 degree east and west longitude, we can call it as 180 degree east and west longitude. It is quite against to 0 degree longitude. From the right side we will get this, from the left side we will get this. So quite against to 0 degree longitude, also known as international date line. It is also known as international date line. Because why we call this as international date line? The date will change from this side to another side, the date will change. How can we know the time? So 360 longitude, earth while rotating, it will take, earth while rotating, it will take 4 minutes for 1 degree longitude. Each longitude, each longitude 4 minutes it will take. Total how many longitudes there? 360. How many minutes it is taking? 4 minutes. Total how many minutes it will take for complete one rotation? Means 460 4 3 12 plus 2 1440 minutes. This 1440 minutes change into hours. Change into hours is equal to 24 hours. So to make one rotation each degree will take 4 minutes. 360 degrees into 4, 1440 minutes. You change into hours, 24 hours exactly. So when you going to the east, you have to add each longitude 4 minutes. You have to add each longitude 4 minutes. You go while going to west, you have to subtract 4 minutes. You have to subtract 4 minutes. East gain, west loss. If you move east, you have to add 4 minutes. If you move west, you have to subtract 4 minutes. For example, Indian Standard Time, IST. What is IST here? 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude is the Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time to Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time is 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. So from year to year, what is the time difference? Means here we have to subtract or add. From India to England, we are moving east or west. So exactly we are moving west. So we have to subtract from Indian time to England time. At present, the time in India is 10 p.m. 10 p.m. What is the time in England? What is the time in England? How many degrees we move back? 82 degree 30 minutes we have to move back. So each degree 4 minutes. So totally 328 minutes. So this is the 30 minutes means half degree. Half degree means 2 minutes. Half degree means 2 minutes. Totally 330 minutes. You change into hours. Means 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes you have to move back. So this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half means 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. So 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10. Means 6:30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4:30 p.m. In England, if India is 10 p.m., in India it is 10 p.m. In England the time is 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. What is the time difference between GMT and IST? 5.5 hours. We have to go from India to England means it should be subtracted. Why? Because England located west of the India. West of the India. If you ask about Japan time, we have to add to Indian time. Like that, for every longitude, 4 minutes will be add if you move east. For every longitude, 4 minutes should be subtracted if you move towards west. In this way, we can come to know the time of a place, time of a country in the world, any place in any country in the world, we can know the time. What we know, what we have to find out first, we know the longitude which is passing through that place. So by that, how many longitudes are different to us? By that, by multiplying with 4 minutes, we can come to know what the time difference between that country to our country. We can come. We know it. Very simple. Okay, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.